How to block someone on Threads. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Threads on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, open the person's profile you want to block. After you're in the person's profile, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then, you'll find block option in here. Click on block at the bottom. After you've clicked on block, you will find this kind of screen. Click on block again at the bottom. After that, the person will be blocked and they won't be able to find your profile or content on Threads. And this is how to block someone on Threads. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.